Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a new stock here, Standard Lithium. As you follow my channel, you know I've talked about lithium quite a bit here on the channel. Anything in regards to EVs, electric vehicles, and anything we can do to make money off of all of that, the picks and shovel part of it, if you will. But this is Standard Lithium. And as you can see, what they've done or have not done over the last year, they were up a huge amount and then just kind of lost all of that. And this one just was listed on July 13th of 2021, so it hasn't even been on here for a year. But it's down about 27% in the last year, down over 45% in the last 3 months. The last month down over 31%. Here in the last week down over 5%, almost 5.5%. And here's a look at today. So it was up and just kind of dove off for whatever reason. But it's lithium, it's got to come back up. It's got great ratings. We'll go over that here as the video goes on. But again, Standard Lithium, ticker SLI, engages in the testing and proving of the commercial viability of lithium extraction. Its projects include Arkansas Lithium, lithium brine processing, and California Lithium. Founded in August 14th of 1998 and headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Market cap, it's kind of small, not even a billion. We'll just call it 700 million. High today of $4.54, low of $4.23. 52-week high of $12.92 and low of $3.80. So you can see the $9.12 difference in there. Average volume 1.49 million and volume here today of 492,000. So not a whole lot of volume on this one. It's probably not going to move all that much, but next earnings are expected on July 12th in the pre-market. So probably due for an update on some of these. I have Lithium Americas Corp, Piedmont Lithium I've talked about, ChargePoint, and QuantumScape, probably due for a update on each and every one of those. Over here on Microsoft Bing, I always like to see this, showing it as a strong buy, and Robinhood doesn't even give one. So dropping fast, we'll just call it 6%. The previous close was $4.51, so it's still going down. So don't know if it's hit the bottom yet or not. 52-week low is $3.80. So I suppose if you wanted, what I'm thinking is put in an order for like $3.80 or $4 and see if it fills if you don't have time to watch this one. But maybe it will come down some more. It's lithium. It's got to go back up at some point in time. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. But Standard Lithium stock crosses below 200-day moving average of $6.76. As you can see, this was just released on the 24th. But right here, U.S. government injects hundreds of millions into lithium. So right there's your catalyst. Whether you trust the government or what you have to say about the government, I suppose you can put that in the comments as well. That'd be interesting to see. Never done that one here on the channel, but whatever you got to say. But Standard Lithium passed below the 200-day moving average during trading on Thursday. Stock has a 200-day moving average of $6.76. Traded below $4.32. SLI has traded at $4.59 with a volume of 961,862 shares traded. Company has a 50-day simple moving average of 569 and a 200-day simple moving average of 676. The firm has a market cap of $757.35 million and a PE ratio of minus 21.86. Several large investors have recently made changes to their positions in the business. Lone Star Capital Management boosted its holdings and shares of Standard Lithium by 50% in the first quarter. And you can feel free to pause and go over the rest of the trades that some of the bigger institutions have made. Stock Lithium company profile. Explores for, develops, and processes lithium brine properties in the United States. Its flagship project in Lanxess, a project with approximately 150,000 acres of brine leases located in southwestern Arkansas. The company was formerly known as Patriot Petroleum Corp. And changed its name to Standard Lithium. That is huge, 150,000 acres, all in Arkansas, so I don't know how many acres will be in the whole state, but that's got to be a big chunk of it. Insider selling. Standard Lithium senior officer sells 9,000 shares of stock. That's quite a bit. Officer sold 9,000 shares of the firm stock in a transaction on Friday, June 24th. The stock was sold at an average price of $6.12. Well, he cashed out for a total of, that's Canadian, so $55,050.30. Following the completion of the transaction, the insider now owns 178,000 shares in the company, valued at $1,088,772.60, also in Canadian. Here on Wednesday, this person sold 2,800 shares of SLI. The stock was sold at an average of $5.98, so maybe they knew it was going down, or maybe they knew something on the inside. It's just hard to say what made them sell at that time. But back in March, they issued a buy rating and a $13 target price for the company, so that's got something to say about it. SLI is an innovative technology and lithium development company. The company's flagship project located in southern Arkansas. Here's the insider trade volumes by quarter for Standard Lithium. Lithium junior miners, news for the month of June 2022. Lithium chemical prices were higher than the past month. So don't know why this one's went down, unless it's just down with everything else. Congress and Pentagon seek to shore up strategic mineral stockpile. Just a bunch of news here. Leo Lithium list, ticker is LLL. There's quite a few different lithium stocks out there. LAC, I will link that in the description. That's probably one of my favorites. I've done a couple videos on it. Done a couple videos on, I believe this is Albemarle, ABML versus Standard Lithium. What happened to SLI stock at the end of May? People are probably wondering what happened to all of their stocks at the end of May. I questioned that myself, so everything's down. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $4.24, low of $3.80, high of $12.92. Well positioned to serve global rise in demand for lithium for battery chemicals. This is because the specialty chemical company's project in El Dorado, Arkansas, focusing on the commercial and substantial extraction of battery-grade lithium, enters the next phase. So definitely might be a time to get into this one. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. You can do with whatever you want with it, but to get ahead of that catalyst for there in Arkansas, this one could run up. Can someone update me? Has SLI moved any further with proof of concept and scaling it up for the last few months? Not much else there. And here on MSN Money, again showing this one as a strong buy with an upside to $14.50, so you could make $10 per share if that holds true. Wouldn't be too bad of an investment. But I'm going to do some more research on this one, probably doing their updated video on it. But while it's going down, I might place an order for it and see what I can get. Maybe try a couple shares at $4.20, see if that fills. And like I said, I'll link my other lithium videos in the description. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.